I've been thinking with my brain and realise I have a problem. To solve that problem, I'm going to give away a bike because a bigger workshop's not an option right now. Come and have a look at it. Every time I open Brink Shedquarters, this is what I'm faced with. Not only a creaky door, but I've got to remove half of this crap so that I can get a bike out. So here's what we're going to do. I've come up with a genius plan. If I zoom in, can you see right down there? There's a Virago 535. You can't see it. Wait there, I'll get it out. Now you can mostly see this bike. Let's unbury it a bit further. And there we have it, a 535 from, what's it, 5 years I've had this. I got a few jobs done on it. I got distracted, I sprained my elbow, and here it is. What can I remember from working on it? I refurbed the carbs. That's my carburetor refurb video that I did before. And it does actually, if you just put a fuel line on it, it does start up, but there's no exhaust on because it's quite loud. The exhaust's here. Anyway, jobs to do, different video. So the long and short of it is, since I bought this bike, this Valkyrie, it wasn't a planned purchase. It came up, it was the right price. A lathe sat here where this bike is right now. I'll put a picture on screen. And I had to disassemble my lathe, hide it under my workbench to fit this bike in. And the plan was, ride the 1000, do up the 535, get rid of the 535, and then get one of these. But, you know, fate, things come along at the right price, you make it happen. So I've got one bike too many. I'd like to give away this 535 to one of my followers. And I'm going to figure out how to do that. So in the link below, in the description thing below there, there's going to be a link. And in that link, you'll need to fill in your email address, your phone number, and your name to enter this competition. However, it's not that simple, because I'm quite aware that there's a lot of people that troll the internet looking for giveaways. They just enter giveaways to try and win anything they can. They don't care what it is. So to make sure this goes to an actual brinkette, I'm gonna do a keyword for every restoration video on this 535. The way I shall structure this, every entrant will go into a spreadsheet. Every spreadsheet line will get a number. I'll delete any duplicates as well, no cheating. Every entrant will get a number. That number will go into a random number generator online. And I'll live stream this. I'll just live stream it so everybody can see. Let's just keep it honest. And then that number that comes up, I will ring them live on the stream. And they need to give me the keywords that are from the videos. If they can't give me the keywords in, let's say, 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough time to scoot around your house, find that bit of paper you were jotting them down on, put them on your phone maybe. But 2 minutes is enough time to find those keywords and read them out. I don't know how many there'll be. It might be 5, it might be a dozen, whatever. However many videos it takes to get this 535 right, that's how many keywords there'll be. So we won't set a number on that. And then that person will then read out those keywords to me. If they get them right, they win a bike. If they don't get them right, I say, bad luck, I'm ringing the next person. And I'll do that repeatedly through this list with a random number generator until we get a winner. Now also, by entering, you agree you come and collect the bike. It will have an MOT. I need to see that you've taxed and insured it. If you win, you need to come and collect it. If you don't have transport, I'll gladly pick you up from a local station, run you back to Brink Shedquarters, and we'll pick it up from there. But you need to take this away taxed and insured. I don't want to be letting people ride off with an uninsured bike. So it's mostly going to be UK entrants really, but honestly, if you are from New Zealand and you want to come and get it, you're welcome to, but that's on you. I'm not shipping it. You come and get it. What I really like this bike to go to is a young rider, somebody who's got the license for it. That's the other thing you need to prove. You've got the license for it. I'm not giving it away to somebody with no license. But I'd really like it to go to a young rider who maybe can't afford a bike or can afford insurance but not a bike, can afford a bike but not insurance, and they get the bike, they can insure it and tax it, and they're away. Great, because there's not enough young riders these days. The insurance companies are killing it. So that's it really. Give us a subscribe so you don't miss any 535 videos. I'll create a playlist with the 535 on so that they're all there together. Get the keywords, keep them on one side. If you post a keyword in the comments, you're banned. Not having any of that. But I think this is a win-win. You watch, you get a bike for free. I managed to make a bit of room in my workshop, and we get another rider out on the road. I keep looking at this bike. I should be looking at camera. So subscribe, like, make sure you get the notification, tick the notification bell so you don't miss a video. That'd help. Give it a share it on your socials, maybe share it with a young rider that you know, get them to enter, get your friends to enter. Yeah, just share it everywhere. Let's do something nice, you know. Let's just get it out there, get it given away, and give me some room to work. If this works really well and I like it, I might even give away the 1,000 as well. We'll see. No promises, but this has got to go. I need some room. Thank you. Bye bye.